Bit of a change of pace for a few days. We've been having an amazing trip, but it's been at the same time a really busy vacation. We're beachside and poolside for a few days to unwind and also kind of plan out the next part of the trip, but this is going to be our visit to Ibiza. Out for a little walk this morning. We were told that there's an aquarium near our hotel. The hotel is just through the trees there, and took a look online. It looks more like a little cave thing, so just on the way to go check it out. Short little walk down this trail. Beautiful view on the way. There it is. Aquarium Cap Blanc. Okay, so going through the door here. There's an octopus in here somewhere. Watch your head. You gotta stay low there for the first little bit. Oh, you got a shark here. Pretty awesome. It's small, but pretty cool. A couple of more smaller aquariums here. Look at this guy. Got a feisty one in there. All right, that's the aquarium. Hey, just about to leave, and the octopus at the entrance is out. Not your typical aquarium, but that made it even better. It's small, it only takes about 10-15 minutes to do the whole thing, but it's still well worth it. So just got back to the hotel, and I just wanted to show you the awesome view we have from the room. Right down there where you see the white roof, that little point, that's the aquarium, and it is gorgeous from here. Favorite part of the hotel is this rooftop infinity pool. Sunsets are beautiful. It sets just out here to the left. The place to be, but the water is very chilly. Over here we've got the beach, which is a public beach, but there is a little pathway from the hotel. Down there is kind of the main pool, and not a bad spot to chill either. Alright, so out for a road trip this morning. Picked up a rental car for a couple of days. Check out the island in. Pretty sweet Nissan Micra. It's actually a lot of fun to drive, and we're just at our first stop of our little road trip today. So we're here to see a cave called Cave Can Marsa, but this is the view from the entrance. It sure is pretty. This is the walkway to the cave. Again, that view just to the right. Pretty much hiking down the side of the cliff here. A couple more flights of stairs to go. Made it to the entrance. This is crazy in here.
Now, all these rails form all these columns, all these stalactites that you see inside.
This is so awesome. Heading back up and it's getting quite a bit warmer. Whew. All right, we made it out the other side.
Finish here. Thank you very much.
Well, that is the end of our spelunking for the day. Back to the car. For a nice country drive through Ibiza. So we've been just punching random beaches into the GPS, and this was the next on the list, and it's a good one. Out for another drive today. Yesterday we went pretty much the entire length of the north side of the island, and it didn't take long at all. It was about 40-45 minutes without stops, and it was a blast driving on all the little windy roads. Today though, we are headed west. You will see a lot of driving here is these roundabouts, which I love. They just make traffic goes so much smoother, and there's not a lot of traffic to begin with. So yeah, the plan today is to hit a few beaches. We were hanging out with a couple from the Netherlands the other night, and they had rented a car for a couple of days and kind of gave us the idea to do this too. First beach of the day is Calabasa. Way over there, there is a large white hotel that is where we're staying, and then when we're looking out from the balcony, this is the view that we see from a distance. Oh, a little cool at first, but feels very good. Picking up a beach blanket for the next stop here.
Okay, have a good day.
You too. Nice visit to the beach, but it is lunchtime and we found this place we're gonna try. So here's the map that we have. Yesterday we went from St. Anthony to Port de Saint Miguel, where the cave was, and then Cala Zaraka, and then we drove a little bit further. Today we are at Calabasa and gonna head to one of these beaches, or maybe a couple of them, here after we get a bite to eat. Oh boy, look at this. The seafood paella just showed up. Got that pretty cool flaming shell in the middle, and this looks so good. We've had paella probably 3 or 4 times now on the trip. This is hands down the best we've had so far. What do you think?
Sure. Look at that blue water there.
Holy. Beach number 2 for the day is Cala Compte, and look at that island out there, that blue water. We were thinking we'd be seeing quite a few beaches today, but it's easy to lose track of time at a place like this. May just end up seeing a couple. This is the main beach area. A couple of restaurants and bars here. It's another section of the beach here. You can see it's quite full. Those guys over there have about the best spot. I don't know if we'll find a spot down there hardly. All right, I think we found our little postage stamp here. It's not much, but we'll take it. Just getting to our last beach of the day, and this is looking like it might be a pretty good one too. Not too shabby. Yep. It is another pretty beach here. It is the end of our beach day, and I think the end of the video too. We've been having a really fantastic time, especially the last couple of days driving around with the good old Nissan Micra. It's been too fun, and looking forward to the next part of the trip. We're back in Barcelona for 2 days, and then I can't wait to show you the first spot we go to after there. It's going to be crazy, but thanks for taking a few minutes to stop by, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye. GPS lied to us a little bit here, we think. This was supposed to take us to a beach, but it took us to a dead end with a house full of guard dogs.